out the wind. Now, right, we're in the tarp now, and it's raining out there. The storm's here. So we're just getting the coffee going. Got the tarp up. Got the two naughty people here.
Coffee.
And hot chocolate.
And hot chocolate.
Very nice. Such a good rain. Yes, well actually. Very nice. Okay. Do the spot of cooking. And now the view's gone completely. Can't see the hills now. Got the coalman going away here, we're eating some water up for us.
Still lit?
Yeah. Good.
Alright. I'm bored.
Okay, Mother?
I'm cold. What, you done that?
I have. First outing with Bray on Hormond Hill. Right, Bray?
Face the camera. Probably try to wash it.
I'm going to do the spot of cooking in the rain. Who's the rain?
That's it. Just like that. That's it.
Well,
It's raining.
there's a thunderstorm coming.
Skeleton.
Thunderstorm coming now. And Mother there.
And dog.
And dog. Did you hear it?
Lily, the dirty discs are behind you, okay? So, in that side.
Just swing you around, have a look out there. Yeah, now the storm's kicking in. Okay, cool. Yay! Right in the middle of a thunderstorm. This is hammering down. Now the dog's back in.
There we go. Good girl. Yes, it is.
Let the camera's waterproof, Dad.
No, it is. It's great, this is.
I saw a flash of lightning.
We saw a flash of lightning, it's getting closer.
You know there's a thing that electricity runs through. What if it hits that? Power cut?
Probably.
Okay, I do not want it to hit that.
There's an unhappy mother. Stern mother. Laughing mother.
Crazy mother.
Cup of tea, coffee mother. And a
Ray.
Bray.
There's a Willows. There we go. There's a Woolloos. That's my coffee.
Now it's started. Just looked on the phone and there's lots of yellow thunder warnings coming right over us in the next 15 minutes.